In this video, I'm going to ask you chatgpt on how to make money online. ChatGTP is an online tool. We write everything for us. If you see, this is information on how to make money online. You can make money online of freelancing, online tutorial teaching, e-commerce, and this is true, and this is how you can make money online true. It means that this bot is true and can write a little information. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a ChatGTP step by step and start writing everything or running everything on how to make money online like this. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use ChatGTP tutorial. In order to start this, just go to Google or Google Chrome and write chat.openai.com. This is a special website for ChatGTP. chat.openai.com. If you go on this website, the website will open up like this. Because I have an account on this website, that's why it go directly to start writing anything. If you are new here, you will see the dashboard which say that create an account here. You will use your Google account to create an account within a minute and start chatting chatting with the bot. In order to chat with the bot, just go here, writing place, and write anything. For example, we can write what is money. Yes, if you submit to the bot will think about your question and start writing everything like how you see on my screen here. The chatbot is writing anything for us. You can use ChatGTP to write different things. For example, blog post, you can write affiliate description, product description, YouTube description, YouTube video description, Facebook post description, everything related to content. You can write here on ChatGTP with free without using any cost. I hope you understand well, and thank you for your time.